It's your time. Leave your mark. On 3, you got creek and you're running out. 1, 2, 3, 3.
I think homecoming is an awesome time to be with your friends and just chill for a little bit. There's the game, there's so many fun events, and I just think it's a great time. We have so much diversity, so it's really cool to see all the different cultures come together, and it's not just one distinct group of people.
Be with your friends and everything and get to dress up and look really fancy. I love all of these people that I spend my time with, so it's good.
Your 2018 homecoming king is Logan Blantz. And your 2018 homecoming queen is Ky'Ajia. Congratulations, Logan. Congratulations, Ky'Ajia.
Freshman year, we knew freshman year, from jump.
What inspired your confidence?
Just friendship, really.
Yeah. Strong friendship.
Yeah.
Come out! Jump out! I'm right here!